My name is Sasha. I live on the second floor. Yeah? You speak to me? You speak to me? What is it? You want something, huh? What do you want? Uh-oh. There's trouble. What is it, Sasha? There's trouble. Sasha. You're funny. You're funny. You speak to me? Come on. Sasha, you speak to me. You speak to me.